doing Dino Snores tonight.
What's a Dino Snore?
Sleeping over at the museum.
What else?
There's eating bugs, there's animal experience, there's lots of dinosaurs, there's comedian, there's music, there's food.
And does everything come to life?
It does! Ah!
This is our spot for the night. Right underneath the giant... Is that a blue whale? We're in Group Raptor. Outside creepy crawlies and gonna eat some bugs.
That's it.
And I had to eat
That's the
cricket.
logic.
Exactly, they were. So it's actually been talked about.
Just one or two. I'm not pro cricket.
Bombs up, right?
What's the verdict?
Yeah, they're like Rice Krispies. They just
Snap, crackle and pop.
haven't really got any kind of flavour.
Like,
Right, come in.
tastes like
It's
something.
like
It's got weird flavour.
it's like a dry, crisp.
It's got really weird taste.
It's really dry. It's like a really dry, stale peanut. Just eat it. Your face.
Tastes like kind of muddy. We've had a chilled out evening, spending the night at the Natural History Museum. I don't think you'll ever get to see it this quiet in the day. As you can see, there isn't a soul about.
We've eaten bugs. We've learned about spider sex. We saw a comedy show. What else did we do?
A little animal display.
Animal display. We saw geckos and snakes and lizards. But I think the thing that I've enjoyed the most is, you know, quite just how intimate that kind of central hall is, where you actually sleep with the harp and the music, and
Yeah,
I don't think you'd get that coming here during the day. You just,
definitely not.
you
It's
just-
so packed
yeah.
in the day that you can't appreciate. You can't really kind of get a close enough look at all the exhibits, and it's a really nice, intimate way to view the museum.
So if you come into London and you've got a night to spend here and you don't want to stay in a hotel, get yourself booked onto Dino Snores with the Natural History Museum in London.
Night. Morning.
It's early. How many minutes did you sleep?
Maybe 5.5.
That's good.
How many minutes did you sleep? You slept all of them and you were snoring.
7.
You was more than 7.
Morning.
really is the morning. Oh, look at that.
Breakfast time.
It's quite early though, isn't it? On a Sunday. So do you feel like you could stay here often and feel refreshed in the morning time? One thing that I realised about Dino Snores last night is that it literally means Dino Snores.
We survived a night in the museum.
Nothing came to life though, so I'll be asking for my money back very shortly.
I think that's the coolest hotel I've ever stayed in.
Well, the most expensive.
And most uncomfortable.
Yeah. There was a large, rotund, snoring lady